A bat lice bite me in Jamaica. And guys, let me tell you, my foot was swollen from Jamaica. I went to the doctor down there in Jamaica and they gave me an antibiotic for it. Never work. Because I know anytime those fly bite me, I have to reach back home before it draw right down and everything. My foot was swollen like this. Like I had to wear my running shoe. Like I brought so many shoes to Jamaica, guys, and I end up wearing one shoes the majority of the time I was there. I had to wear my running shoes because it bit me on the side of my actually right up on my past my ankle up, and it's turned red. Like there was a huge red spot on there. And of course, I decided to I know what's gonna happen because it happened to me before. So I'm like, all right, fine. So when it's almost there now, guys. It draw down, not all the way, but this morning I wake up, it's gone. So thank God for that.